How to set any song as a ringtone. For example, this one, share. If you press on use as ringtone, then you can see the file already exists. That's mean I already set this song as wallpaper. If you go to settings, sound and haptic, ringtone, then you can see this is the default song. So how to set it? For that, you have to update your phone with latest iOS 26. My phone is already updated with latest iOS 26. If you go to general, about, then you can see is 26. Now go to your file option. Now set any, find any song. For example, this one, I want to set this song as a wallpaper. If you press on share, press on more, then you can see use as wallpaper. Then if you see this option, choose a ringtone under 30 seconds. That's mean you need under 30-second ringtone. Then just crop this audio crop online. Go to this website and upload your file. Choose file, then upload your file that you want to crop. Now I just crop this ringtone as 30 seconds. Once done, press on crop. Press on crop. I am pressing the crop. Download. Now it's downloading. So once download complete, this one. Now go back to your file. Go back, then go to download option. Then scroll all the way down, then you can see the option. Now press and hold. Press on share. Press on more, use as ringtone. I already use it. Now go back to your setting and go to sound and haptic, then ringtone, and you can see this option. Now it's as a wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.